All right. Live. We're going to pick up from where we left off on Friday, I think it was. Yeah, no, it was Friday. Oh, shit. I forgot to do something. Luckily, I did that before it caused problems. Make sure that we load up all of our stuff quickly here. All right. So, I don't know if I did this on stream or not. But I got this to the point where I could like run around inside of here in like a kind of third person view. Like proper third person when I'm driving. I forgot that I could. Oh wait, this one. Who is Hub? Damn it, I lost it. I don't know where it went. Okay, so config, was it player? Oh, here it is. Here it is. So if I come into here, right? And then we go to top-down player, right? We can adjust this. None of this is going to work. I don't think. I think like we have to like target world up, and then we bring this one of these down, right? It's so bad. I don't know what's going on here. Uh. Okay, so I think the trick with this is to probably like adjust these with a to do this outside, right? Interesting. I didn't think that I had this turned on. Auto on. Actually, no. I guess I haven't restarted since I launched it last. Okay. So first things first, let's build a map, right? So let's start creating our own thing here. So folder, this will be Truckcoon. Then inside of here, we will have a folder for scenes. Then inside of here, let's create a scene. Driving test scene. And then we are going to create our driving test that we've been creating like 80,000 times. 3D objective a cube will be the 18,000th time that we've done this. Oops. Yeah. This is not. I know it is. Wait, what? Huh? Oh, it's because I went to the wrong side. There we go. Okay. Okay. This is where we're going to try and figure out exactly the right vehicle system here for the game. Um, we're gonna do this. Create empty parent. Mint. Mm, I think these need to be props. I hit play and it like sorry, I hit pause and it
Today, I'll
reloads.
be showing you how to take this drift.
That's weird. I still actually I would love to do the, what was our issue with this again? Did we ever like figure out did I ever figure that one out? Or can I get that in there? Didn't we have this in a project? One sec. I'm gonna try something. This was in this one? Vehicle fizzle. Oh wait. Right, that's what we hmm. It was the distinction between the two physics objects. And we decided that we were just gonna do it in yeah. Never mind. I remember where I was going with this. Okay, so what we wanted to do was create this environment and get a vehicle driving around for now. I think this is the way to go too. The hub, right? Create. Yeah, this one comes with like everything we need, right? Hub root. Oh no. It was the other one that we wanted. Oops. Not this. Great. There we go. Initial scene example. We want to go Create a spawn point. Oh, it's a player spawn point. Right? Create a spawn point object. Any transform in the scene where you want the player to spawn and assign it to player spawn. Okay. So we bring in the player spawn. And then we go to hub, player spawn. Oh, we already have a player spawn. Beautiful. Oh, wait. No, we didn't have a player spawn. Is this different? Okay, so it's just a transform. Okay. Game object. Create an empty object. Player spawn location. We want the player. We want built-in. We want car. We want full dots. And we're going to go for a bus, right? Dots city. Was it this one? This one.
This is an introduction video. Let me introduce the project. Dots traffic system. Project script. FMOD. Initial components. Player spawner. That's all you need to get started. The following videos will show how to add. All the necessary scripting defines have been added. Now you need to add the initial components to the scene. Select Spirit 604 tab, City Editor, Create, City Base. Now we have to create a player spawn point. Then assign it to the player spawner. That's all you need to get started. The following videos will show how to add, configure, and debug traffic.
Wait. Fuck.
This is an introduction. Based on this ASR automatically, packages have been downloaded. The Dot City project. Now you need to add the initial components to the scene. Select Spirit 604 tab, City Editor, Create, City Base. Now we have to create a player spawn point. Then assign it to the player spawner.
Oh, okay. So, yeah. Okay. So it's not this. It is actually a spawn point that we need. Oops. And then we go to the player spawner, and then we take this and we put that there. There we go. Now, if I hit play, we should spawn in and just fall. Or not, that works too. Here are our virtual cameras, which we want a third-person camera, to be honest.
That's all you need to get started. The following videos will show how to add, configure, and debug traffic.
But I think, what is it? I think we go to hub and we do like a generate.
This video will show the common configuration of the city. First, let's take a look at the general city settings. Here are the general city settings. Player agent type here selects the type of player. The player can be an NPC or a flying camera. You can also quickly turn off or on traffic and pedestrian.
Okay, so to do initialization. and they are on. He's on. Initialization. Wait. Cameras, city entry point, player spawn, initialization, city settings initializer. Oh, I did this before. To player configs. Wait. There's my spawn point. Read here. Player car. Each player car only works in hybrid custom physics. And consists of two parts. Dot entity. See, this is the part that I'm a little bit confused about. Each player car only works in hybrid custom physics. List of vehicle controllers from the asset store that can be used. Wait. Simcade can be used? You know, AshDev never actually responded to me. Oh, it's Spherecast based. Which one's this one? Documentation. Oh, cool. That one comes with Fmod. MS vehicle? Anyway, sorry. Oh wait, why am I doing this into this project? This needs to be done in a different project. Save. Do this into here. Yeah. Okay, so let's actually just, because I think this one's working, right? For the most part. Hey, it's got its right. I need to generate again. Oops. Not pause. Stop. Because if we go to the hub, I think it's like generate, and then if I hit play, we can run around. What? All right, we ran into problems. Right. Don't save. Forgot about those problems. Okay, which was the last one that we tried? And this one's got a vehicle controller in it, but I think this one might work. This one actually does work, right? Nope, that one's completely broken. That was this one, right? Was this our source of truth? Because both of these have so many different layers, they conflict with each other to some degree, and it causes problems, right? does suck. But I think one of these needs to work. I feel like this one does work, and we haven't fucked this one up yet. Oh yeah, this one absolutely does work. There we go. Oh yeah. We don't have anything else in here, do we? No, we do not. Beautiful. Okay, so what we want to do now is package manager. And it's Simcade vehicle import. We're gonna try running around with this and see if it works. We are absolutely not going to get audio though. That's fine. I don't care about the audio. Well, I like the audio, but I don't care about it. We're thrilled you have selected this. We also offer freelance services. Interesting. In the Discord. Close. Yes, import settings. do 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 do. Mm-hmm. Wow, that's taking a long time. Meantime, let's see if we can take a look at the documentation for it. Mm. Holy shit, there's 108 so far. Wow, that didn't take long. They're in full force today. Ooh, an account from 2023. It's an old account. See. I think this one's hacked. No, they only have 8 followers, and they don't really post. Yeah, I think that was this one's a hacked account. One eternity later. The Universal Cars Plus didn't seem to. Oh, there's Suda. What's up, Ben? This one actually didn't seem too bad. So this is the other one that was good looking, but it wasn't entire. But it does say that it works. Slow and painful. You know, the usual. Oh, right. This one's got like all the extra stuff that we don't really want. Yeah, that's why I didn't really like it. I was trying to figure that one out. Yeah, slow, and horribly painful. Just. I feel like I'm getting my ass kicked. How about you? How are things going on your side, Ben? That's good. So Simcade is supposed to work here with a hybrid mono. Oh man. I feel like oh, that was doing both. Okay, sweet. Now if I hit play, we should be able to drive around. Hey, there's a reset button. One sec, I want to turn off gizmos. Maybe I wasn't going fast enough. Let's see the loop-de-loop. Nope. Huh. How do I get up there? Because it's like a whole thing, right? Is it like a boost that I need or something like that? Huh. The biggest issue with the biggest issues that I have with like Ash Dev stuff is that like he doesn't actually have docs. Simcade. All right, let's see if we can figure out the because I don't think it's in here. It's not. Okay. So it's in the vehicle itself, right? Which car am I using? I think it's the Porsche, right? It looks like a Porsche. Um,
Hey, this is Chris from Game. Hey, this is Chris from Game Dev Project, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your own vehicle with the SimCade asset from AshDev, available on the Unity Asset Store. The link is in the description. So I've got the asset installed, and I've also installed the Polygon City Pack by Cinti Studios, as we'll be using the demo scene and the vehicles. We want to override and load the preset. Same with the physics. Load the preset in, and then for click time, we also have a preset for that. Now back to our vehicle where we want to set up. Select our vehicle, go to Tools, SimCade Vehicle Physics, and for our vehicle preset, if we head into the prefabs folder, car presets, find the vehicle that's most suited to what we're trying to set up. In this case, we'll go to the sedan, we'll drag it into the preset. And for the rest of the vehicle, this main game object here that has the body, we'll drag that in. Then the wheels, front left, front right, rear left, rear right. Then we'll drag the body in, as well as one of the wheels, and create the vehicle. We can close this one. Then we'll delete the camera. I'll show you how to set that up. If we head to game object, camera, and then on the camera, we want a Cinemachine brain. Now when we hit play, you can see the vehicle's all set up. Now we'll take a look at all the configuration we can do to the asset. We'll do it in play mode just so we can see what everything does. Obviously everything we change now, speed. If we see our car accelerates a lot slower. So it really depends on what kind of game you're trying to make. So then you have the side.
Hmm. This is still the city pack, right? Yeah, okay. I still want to figure out where the freaking controls are. Skid marks, do all of that. Beautiful. Input manager. There it is. Oh, there is no booster. I was hoping for a boost. Because I can't figure out I can't drive fast enough to get over these loops. Like they're there, but like how does one drive fast enough for that? These are cute and all, but if you can't actually drive fast enough to do it, what's the point, right? Uh, let's see here. Spring force, spring dampening, car stats, max speed, 250. We're gonna get this car going super fast. There we go. Look at that. That was beautiful. Whee! All right, let's see if we can do this jump. I don't know if we can actually make this jump. Because I think this has too much. It's like we're gonna be going too slow, so we gotta do it from somewhere else maybe. But we might actually be able to do the over here. We might be able to do this one. I think we're going a lot faster now, or at least we're capable of going a lot faster now. Should we crank the speed up even higher? Let's say 300. Now we should be able to just rip even faster, in theory. Whee! That's pretty good. Okay, so let's say 300. And then we're going to see if we can get to that one. Wait, then how did this pink one here? Oh, that pink one's a jump. You gotta jump onto that pink one from the road. Oh, I see. Can we make it? Still no. 300 max speed of 300. Still not the right one. Oh wait. Say 50. Whee! Oh, there we go. Look at that. Now we're going truly fast. Whee! Whee! Look at that. We made it. That was a bit disorienting. The sheer amount of speed that I'm utilizing is kind of crazy. Like I am really going fast. It's actually kind of hard to it's hard to control a little bit. Whee! Look at that. Ah! Okay. Yeah. No. Let's get this into our into a city. Let's see if we can get this into a city. Okay. We're going to slow down the vehicle a little bit, right? We want to do tools here. We need to create the the truck. So let's bring in the truck. Oh, I didn't bring. Did I still not bring it into this? I thought I did. I opened up the wrong truck. Okay. Wait, no, this isn't the right one either. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up Unity. I think it's vehicle controller, FBX. Yeah, here we go. Then we come into here and we create assets. Sorry, create a folder. Call it Truckcoon. Okay, there we go. So there we go. Then we go back to this tutorial here.
Click all the configuration manager. We click this icon, we'll find the vehicles. So the first thing we'll want to do is head to Window, Package Manager, and change packages to Unity Registry, and we'll search for Cinema Machine, and we'll just make sure that's installed. Then next we'll find the vehicle we want to use, and we'll unpack the prefab, and then we'll go through the vehicle and remove and install. Hey, this is Chris from Game Dev Project, and the Polygon City Pack by Cinti Studios, as we'll be using the demo set. Then next we'll find the vehicle we want to use, and we'll unpack the prefab, and then we'll go through the vehicle and remove any colliders or any rigid bodies that are attached to the vehicle. Next we'll find the vehicle we want to use, and we'll unpack the prefab, and then we'll go through the vehicle and remove any colliders or any rigid bodies that are attached to the vehicle.
Okay. So we just want the wheels. Right? Then next we'll find the vehicle we want to use, and we'll unpack the prefab, and then we'll go through the vehicle and remove any colliders or any rigid bodies that are attached to the vehicle. Okay. This is a rear wheel. There we go. This would be rear left, and this would be front left. And this, we just do this, home, -1. And then this one, -1. This one here, we -1. And then we have wheels on both sides. Look at that, beautiful. Just amazing. There we go. Then,
So we have a variety of presets that we need to set up. You can see where they're located here. So if we head to Edit, Project Settings, the first one will be the Input Manager. If we click this icon here, we can load the preset. Now back to our vehicle that we want to set up. Select our vehicle, go to Tools, SimCade Vehicle Physics.
tools.
And for our vehicle preset, if we head into the Prefabs folder, Car Presets, find the vehicle that's most suited to what we're trying to set up.
Vehicle body.
In this case, we'll go to the sedan, we'll drag that into the preset. And for the rest of the vehicle, this main game object here that has the body, we'll drag that in. Then the wheels, front left, front right, rear right. Then we'll drag the body in, as well as one of the wheels, and create the vehicle.
Right, I have to change that. Oops. Rear right, rear left, front right, front left, body mesh, and we'll do front right. Create SimCade. Let's see if it works. Yeah, I think it actually might work. Play. Let's see. We'll probably have to edit the suspension, but does it work? It fucking works. The camera is fucking terrible, but it works. Wait, what was that? The handling is terrible. The suspension is probably off, to be honest. But like I don't yeah. Oh, the acceleration's terrible. No wonder. Max speed of 70? No, max speed of like 250. Let's do this. There we go. The suspension, yeah, the suspension is god awful. The steering is not what we want. We need to fix the steering. Turning curve. 35. Wait. 30, let's say 45. Oof. The trees saved me. Okay, so the down force we could probably put that at 4 instead. We need to adjust the camera though. The camera is definitely going to be an issue. There we go. That's a bit more wobbly. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we do want to change some of these settings. Let's say 250. Let's crank this up to 50. We need the turning curve. Something more like that. No more force. We're going to change that there. Okay, and then we're going to do this. The steering is still not good. Yeah, it still steers crazy bad, like really, really horrible. There's almost no steering at all. Mm. And this is supposed to be that was kind of funny. Just- Oh, interesting. So this system actually falls apart at really high weights. So if I put this back to 1,000, we actually have a better experience. But we need to fix the suspension here. The suspension force and whatnot is crazy. Here, spring force. This effectively has like nothing. Where's the what's a car preset look like? Oh, this is a car preset. Okay. I'm kind of surprised that they don't have any numbers for the suspension, really. Right? Like we've got dampening, but like we don't have real numbers here. Yeah, the wheels are too low. If I bring these down like that and then hit play, what do I get? I think we'll get a bouncier ride. I think the springs are a bit off on the wheels there. They're bottoming out like crazy amounts. We have to figure that out. Like they absolutely do not work correctly. The suspension is really off. Yeah, like look, the wheels are in the ground. But like there's not really much for the wheels here to do. Like we don't have. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. There. Oh, it's these that I want to move down. Okay, so then we can go. Okay. So I moved the wrong ones, is the problem. We want the hard points to come down, right? So if I hit play, we're gonna edit it here, right? Where we should see simulations effectively. There. And then if I come down to here, if I come into here, look at this, right? We're in the ground, but can we bring this down here? Do we still exist in the ground? No, there we go. We still have like no steering. Like the steering is god awful now. But I think that's because the center of mass is off. Fuck, I didn't save the y value that we had. There. -4. Okay, maybe not -4. Oh no, it was minus 0.4. That's what it was. Minus 0.4. Yeah, minus 0.4. Then where's the camera? Main camera? Is this it? Oh. How do we do this? Okay, so there, and we wanna zoom out from the vehicle, right? We're gonna replace that. Yeah, we're gonna this just using like a really old system is all. The steering is still terrible. Still need to work on the steering though, but I'm not entirely sure what the steering is, what we need the steering to be. And I have a feeling it's because the center of mass is different than what it was. So if I bring the center of mass down, I think I steer better. Yeah, I do. Okay. So it wants a lower center of mass. What if we set the center of mass to 0? No, 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 no. Way down, way down, way down. Right down there. And go to game. Yeah, we're still really, really not getting the turning that we want. Oh, that's why. That's better. Yeah, that's better. The braking's a bit too steep. We'll have to figure that out later. Um okay, so this is working. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna come into here, we're gonna create a new folder, prefabs. We're gonna come into here, we're gonna take this, we're gonna do this, we're gonna move this up. It's time. Time is on the bottom. There we go. Prefabs there, and then we come to here. We just say truck coon, and we bring this into here. Then, if we open this up, one of the things that we want to do is adjust uh, the box collider to not be a box collider because we want add component. We want this to be a mesh collider. Let's see if this works with a mesh collider. Convex, and then we do this into the mesh. There we go. Let me just bring that down. Oops. Duplicate. There we go. And then if we come into here, we can do that. And then we hit play, and we should have a mesh collider instead of a box collider. The reason we want a mesh collider is so things can hit the roof. We're going to see if it works. It does work. Sweet. This actually feels way better. I think so far this is the best version of the truck. I could have swore that I found one of these that doesn't have collisions properly on it. Like it's missing some of the collisions, or I clipped through some of the collisions somehow. Ooh, 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 ooh. This one, this one, this one. Never mind. I thought it was that. It wasn't. Okay, so if I do here and I come to game and I do maximized. Still need to. I need to. The camera. The camera has to change. Yeah, the camera's gonna have to change. It's fucking terrible. But that's because it's made for a much smaller vehicle. Realistically, all we really need to do is bring the camera back a bit because it's too far. It's too close, right? If we bring it back and maybe up, that's all we really need. But I haven't been able to figure that one out yet. I imagine that this is the one that actually controls whether or not new window. Summary option to control. Oh, wait, what? That's not right. Interesting. Oh. Anyways, we'll come back to that. For now, let's get this into here. Where's our scenes? Do we have a scene? Sample scene? Right, yes. Ooh, wait. Now we need to see whether or not the city still works. I forgot to check that. Uh let's see if this still works. Because I think a bunch of the labels have been changed. Oh. To play. And I think I should fall through the world. That's what we're expecting. Wait, we didn't fall through the world. Interesting. Demo mono. Does demo mono work? Demo mono might not work. Demo mono might be fucked due to other reasons. Let's see. I've seen demo mono work, but I think I've ever had it work once. Outside of that, we usually get this. And I think this has to do with like, yeah. Okay, here we go. Some Cade, that's fine. Do. Gear system. There's a gear system? Oh, gear speeds. Interesting. Unity methods. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Wake start, fixed update. There's a nitro boost. Knew it. Hmm. Okay. Do 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 do. Shh. It's okay. All right. Not Ashdev. Yeah, this one here. Not this one. This is Ashdev again. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Oops. Those were the ones that I was looking
Hey,
for.
everyone.
Ah. This isn't it either. Dots City. Why am I not subscribed? Thought I was. Traffic, road debug tool. Vehicle custom adjustments.
This
Alright.
scene is for custom.
I forgot to do one other thing here. In package manager. Oh, it's already in there. Okay. Sweet. Okay. So if I hit hub generate. And then I hit play, what happens? Do I spawn a truck? A vehicle of some kind? Because I should, I think. There we go. And I go through the ground. Good, good, good. I thought that said ground. Yeah, this does have ground. Do hub. Initialize. Config. City settings. Spawn point, NPC. Is the spawn point underground or something? I don't think it is. No, it's not. Okay, but it is in the air, right? Yeah. Let's just bring it up a little bit more. There we go. Player agent type, player, freeform camera. So this is in the general settings, which is the player spawn. Player. 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 No, it was player spawn here. Yeah. Cars. Bus one. Dots. Player. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we're falling through the world. By default, the call point camera city, but if you want to use your own player camera. If you want to add your own player, read here. Player car, player character, player car, optional step. We're going to go for the dots one. Prefab creator. Okay, so create. Wait. Oh no, window. Car prefab creator. Traffic player. Wait, what? Oh, right. I forgot about that one. That scene might just be perfect, though. Scenes. Just give me a second here. Dot city. Scenes. Test scenes. Save. Yeah, I think this is the one here. And then if we hit play, we should just be able to drive around, right? And then we should be able to change out the vehicle. Because right now I think we're going to be like just a regular vehicle. We say nothing. Nothing I tells you. Yeah, this is just like a bog standard vehicle. What we want though is to, those should be hittable, right? Why are we not hitting that? We hit the other ones, but we don't hit that. I don't know why. There's a rigid body and mesh collider there, but then we come over to here, we've got, oh, this doesn't have a rigid body. But, oh yeah, but it has a box collider. That's weird. Like we should hit these, right? Like these should have some effect on the vehicle. But I think it's because we've got the wrong kind of maybe. Like we don't even, yeah, no, we're not hitting these at all, right? Oh no, we are. We are. These are just bumps. Very small bumps that we can barely notice. Okay. That makes sense. Main camera. There's a top down. That's not what we want. Middle rig? Where's our player? We don't really get a player, do we? No, we don't. What if I hit play now? Why don't I see the frickin' road? That's so weird. Interesting. Okay, back to our test. Okay. Main camera. That's fine. First person camera. It's probably going, I think it's going into this one. I don't, I want a better way to edit the camera. Because right now there kind of isn't one. All right, so city debugger. We want city high. We generate and we view, right? There's our environment right there. But I think there's something wrong here. By layer. Mm, so we have this, the spawn point actually did work, right? But then we fell through the map. We're gonna have to do the custom to do. To do. Where was it? The root of the crossroads. The root of all crossroads in the scene. How to use Bakinfo? Baking data is required to store calculated data to avoid calculations each time. This should be done after each road change and before the launch of the scene to validate that all traffic objects are properly configured. Use the traffic object finder tool. That's not what we're looking for right now. Initialization. No, that's still roads. City creation, right? We come into here. Here's the hub, spawn point. General settings. Oh, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna skip that one right now. By default, the Unity entities is not rendered on the scene view. Fix this, follow these steps. Oops. Edit preferences. Oh, this I think is already done. The entities tab. Oh, runtime data. Okay, so I think there's something wrong with the ground settings. With the city hub here. Uh, this was something that is like super. This was like, this is like actually really easy, but I don't remember what it was. Like there was one thing that we needed to do, and it was just it just worked the second that we did it, and now I can't remember what it was. And some part of this is like actually lacking a little bit here. Project scene settings. There it is. Move surfaces. That's the one. In the hub. Maybe. Nope. Let's go back in and see where we are because I don't think we're at. I think we're at the actual start point that we initially suggested. But I think we're spawning in the ground. Okay, so if I get out, I should be able to like walk around. But it's so disorienting trying to figure out where I am. But I'm almost positive that we are at the actual start point here. Spawn point here. This is where we are. Which I think is not far enough off the ground. What the fuck? Or does it really want it on the ground? This is all 0, right? Oh, this one needs to be a prop. Like, I don't like it. Something's weird about that entire thing right there. We do need to figure out the camera though. I want to figure out the camera. Cameras. Here, main cameras. Virtual. This one? No. Yeah, it's one of these. I think it's this one that we're looking at. Mm, the camera situation is kind of horrible. Okay, so we figured that out. Okay, that's good. Winning. Um Here Animator in pure dot space is currently available if you have Ronka. Otherwise, available only in hybrid entities. Where's the custom camera player? If you want to add your own camera solution, follow these steps. Create a new mono behavior script and implement the class that derived from camera base and it to the root of your custom camera. Wait, what? Create your mono behavior script and implement the camera base and add it to the root of your custom camera. The code example in the code. Oh, here we go. Zenject. Camera base. Own camera solution. I feel like there should be there should be a interface for this. Okay, so we do hub initialization. Initializers. No, scene context. Sorry. Wait. Hub initialization, scene context, initializers. UI installer. Main camera. Call point. I'm fine with this here. Huh. Wait, this isn't quite right. Tracking camera. How do I figure out which I want to change the camera of the player character. Car explode. Hit reaction. Okay, so it's this one, and then here's a camera, but there's a bunch of other cameras, right? And I want to be able to take a look at this camera specifically, right? Like, I think this is actually the one that we want. Oh, sorry if I'm being honest. But how do we decide which camera we want? Hmm. Main camera base is this one. Okay, so the main camera is this one, but I want to know how does it choose which one this is? Right? Like, if I come into this, like we have the details, but like this is so difficult to edit, right? Because we don't have anything for it to track. We don't have the vehicle for it to track. So trying to edit these when we're not hitting play is like really painful. But I'm not sure how to switch these. Also not sure why that's happening. But this is actually a problem here. Okay, so what happens if we change this? Not that. That's dampening. Follow offset. There. That one doesn't count. There. Uh, okay, so that's what we want. Pivot offset. Is that? No. I wish I knew where it was. Oh, it's up. That's why. There we go. So that's not it. No, no. Hard look at there. Ah, there we go. Feel like this is it. Right about. About there, maybe. These might be a bit too big. Look at them. So big. We can still get over them, but so big. Look at that. I'm kind of curious now, like how big these actually are compared to like the actual thing that we want here. So if we go here, there's our vehicle, right? This is what the current vehicle is. And then if we go to Truckcoon here, oh wait, Truckcoon's not being imported. Create folder. Meshes. Create folder. And vehicles. It's It is smaller, but it's not as small as I thought it was gonna be. I'm entirely sure if that's actually correct, so we're just gonna go like this. This is a back tire, right? There we go. There we go. Let me bring that up. And we'll bring this over like that. And then we will duplicate that, and this will be a front left wheel. Oops. And this one here will be a rear left wheel. This one here, we need -1 and oops, negative. This one here, we need a -1 and negative. There we go. Now what we need to do is we need to go to do car prefab creator. How to create. Set the car type to player. Car type to player. Create a vehicle using open the create a let's use the bus. Can we scan? Drag and drop car prefab into the prefab field. Uh, this is just this. Okay. Scan. Drag and drop a car prefab into the prefab field. Template. Templates? Would it just be like this? I'm so confused. Scan. Custom straight road. Dots, traffic, city.
This scene is for customizing custom physics cars. Select vehicle custom spawner. Choose spawn type, player, or traffic. Open subscene. Select vehicle collection. Here are the vehicle presets. Select it. Here are the list of the added player vehicles. Same preset for the traffic vehicles. To speed things up, you can also drag and drop the car you want into the subscene without using presets. Let's open the player vehicle prefab. Set the origin move type according to your needs. Adjust the initial position of the suspension and the position of the wheels by dragging the green arrow. Set the wheel radius and width.
Okay, so we don't. Well, let's get rid of this. Then we'll scan. Okay, we'll close that window. This is not right. Set the scan ID source type. What? This is supposed to be custom? Like, I suppose I could edit this. But I feel like that would be a bad idea. I am kind of curious here. Mesh collider. No. Don't do that. Remove component. What? So like, do I just need to create this myself? Like I know this is confusing, right? So this is set to okay, common. Body mesh. Prefab name. Prefab name. Okay, scan. That's not what I want. Okay, so I need to have a, this needs to be a prefab before so I create. Okay. Okay, so there's my prefab, right? With the exception of a couple things here, which is just like I don't even know. There's no documentation on how to use this. Okay, let's follow this. Like, shouldn't the prefab creator be creating this for me based off of whatever this is? Like, okay, so if I go like this and I go to prefabs. Okay, so I've made a prefab of my truck and I just want to dump it in there. There we go. Scan. Sure. Create. Look at that. I got an error. Game object bus one. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be top down again. Fuck. I really gotta right, like wait, that what the fuck is going on now? Why is it that like the best tools tend to have the worst documentation? There's my vehicle, right? There's my truck. There is no, the preset creator doesn't work, but it does fuck things up from what I've seen. So I don't know what it screwed up, but it screwed something up because at least before it used to spawn the vehicle and now it does not because something's fucked. So we can't use the prefab creator because it's lacking documentation. There's like a general outline of like something. There's something here, but as far as like actually using it, I have no idea. Uh targets prefab parent. It's really taken from the selection of the root scene. Select a pre. I don't know what it wants. Template settings. Okay, but what? Size 5. Okay, what's size mean? Whole name template. Rear left. Left rear. Preview settings. Like I don't even know. There's scans the added prefabs and add info about new ones to the prefab info tab. So is this now different? No, this isn't different. There's no information here. If I delete this, and I hit play, what happens? Do I still go flying for some reason? Am I still weirdly colliding with things that I shouldn't be? Like, what's going on here? There, okay, so we still fly. We still fly for no real reason. Okay, there. Now when we fly, we should hit that. Yeah, well, it fucked the screen. It fucked the entire everything, apparently. Okay, so I don't. This should just be a box collider now. Oh, yeah, it's broken. Fucking using the tool broke it. I need a break before I fucking just. I'm just getting angry right now. I'm gonna take a little bit of a break. I'll be back in a couple. I'll be back tomorrow. I'm gonna take a break and see if I can figure out what the fuck is going on here. This completely fucked the entire project, I think. I think using the car prefab creator just literally actually fucked this entire project, and I am unbelievably irritated right now. So it is time to call it a day, because I'm just gonna get irritated, like really, 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 really fucking irritated. All right, I will talk to you all later. Ta ta for now.